Dear learners, myself Professor Parag Ashok Pathade from KBH Trust Institute of Pharmacy, Malegaon. Today we are going to look out how to synthesize 2-methylbenzimidazole. In this experiment we can see aim, principle with mechanism, procedure, calculation part, TLC, IR spectra of synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole and references. Let us start with this experiment. To perform the synthesis of 2-methylbenzimidazole from orthophenylene diamine, that is we call as OPD, this is the aim of this experiment. For formation of this experiment, we need the following glasswares as well as chemicals, that is orthophenylene diamine, acetic acid, ethanol, etc. Start with the principle. Disconnection of the two carbon-nitrogen bonds in benzimidazole reveals the orthodimine and formic acid. Let us see, this is the OPD with acetic acid. It leads to 2-methylbenzimidazole. The synthesis is affected by simple heating the reagents together. 2-methylbenzimidazole is formed from OPD and acetic acid. Let us discuss about the mechanism in detail. In this, that is OPD with acetic acid, it will form the intermediate product by removal of hydrogen. This reaction is processed with the help of concentrated ammonia solution for making the mixture up to the basic, in which hydrogen from ammonia and OH ion from acetic acid will be get removed and this intermediate product is formed. In next step, there is a attachment of acetyl group on OPD by deprotonation. After deprotonation, this product will be formed. The next step is cyclization. Here, rearrangement of structure takes place by removal of hydrogen atom and this product get formed, where the lone pair of nitrogen of will help to form bond, and in last step by the removal of OH ion finally leads to 2-methylbenzimidazole. Let us start with the procedure. In this RBF, firstly we add the 5.43 gram of phenylene diamine dihydrochloride, then add 20 ml of water into same, and in thirdly we add 5.4 gram of acetic acid. Then put out the condenser. Heat the solution on water bath up to the 45 minutes, that we call as reflux it for the 45 minutes. Once the 45 minutes get over, close the burner, remove the water bath, remove the condenser and cool the solution or mixture. Make that reaction mixture basic by addition of strong ammonia solution, as we discuss in principle of the synthesis. Collect the precipitated product and recrystallize it from 10% aqueous ethanol. Now move towards the calculation part. In this calculation part, we can make the synthesis for the quantity for 2 gram. For example, suppose for OPD, we can make the calculation as per the 2 gram. For OPD, suppose it will be 2 gram. Then in that ratio, we take the water 7.36 ml, acetic acid 1.98 ml, like that way. Now, molecular formula for OPD is C6H8N2 and its molecular weight will become 1.108 gram per mole. Similarly, for the molecular formula for synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole will be, that is a 2 C8H8 and N2 and its molecular weight 132. Calculate its theoretical weight and from that make calculation for the practical weight, practical yield. The theoretical yield, that is the initial molecular weight, is equal to final molecular weight. So initial molecular weight of the OPD is 108, final molecular weight, that is of 2-methylbenzimidazole, that is 132. So in that ratio for the 2 gram quantity, that theoretical yield will become 2.44 gram, and calculate practical yield from theoretical yield. Have to make a label of synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole in a such way where you can put the structure, its molecular formula, molecular weight, theoretical yield, practical yield, percentage yield, melting point of 2-methylbenzimidazole, and finally name of your college. Now in next step we have to check that the synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole get formed TLC. In briefly we can put out the procedure. Stationary phase is silica gel G, mobile phase is hexane acetate ethyl acetate, ratio is 3:2 and your visualizing agent is iodine vapor, and put out the RF value by this formula. This is a diagrammatic presentation of this TLC. This is not the TLC of synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole. We can take the standard 2-methylbenzimidazole solution which is already dissolved in a mobile phase, where we can put the another spot onto the origin line of synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole, and finally run that plate into the mobile phase chamber. After removing the plate, make it dry, put into the iodine vapor chamber and visualize the spot. 2-methylbenzimidazole is more polar. It might be due to imidazole ring. So therefore its RF value is. Now let us see this IR spectra of synthesized 2-methylbenzimidazole. along with its analysis. These are the references used for this experiment, that is from the Vogel textbook of Practical Organic Chemistry and Practical Pharmaceutical Chemistry by Beckett and thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel. Channel name is Parag Pathade for more educational video. Thank you very much.